Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Arlo Doorbell is probably one of the most advanced and user-friendly video doorbells on the market, offering crystal clear HD video, two-way audio, and smart motion detection to keep you connected and informed about who's at your door, no matter where you are. Its wire-free design and long-lasting battery make installation a breeze, while its seamless integration with other smart home devices provides a comprehensive security solution for any modern household, ensuring peace of mind with every visitor. Number 5. Google Nest Thermostat, Snow. Introducing the smart thermostat that helps you save energy and stay comfortable. It's designed to be ENERGY STAR certified, making it an efficient choice for your home. It automatically turns itself down when you leave, so you don't waste energy heating or cooling an empty home. You can easily set an energy-efficient schedule right from your phone. Remote control allows anyone in the family to adjust the temperature from anywhere using their phone, laptop, or tablet. Stay in control, no matter where you are. Our Savings Finder looks for more ways it can help you save money. It suggests schedule tweaks directly in the app to optimize your energy usage. It actively monitors your heating and cooling systems, sending alerts if anything seems unusual. This helps make maintenance easier with helpful reminders. This smart device integrates smoothly with Google Home and other smart home platforms. It's compatible with Google Assistant and other Matter-certified voice assistants for easy control. What we like. This smart thermostat is designed to help you save energy effortlessly. It learns your schedule and turns itself down when you leave, ensuring you only use energy when needed. If you're looking to reduce your energy bills and want a set-it-and-forget-it solution for home climate control, this is a great choice. What people say. The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell offers a wide 180-degree viewing angle, ensuring you can see visitors clearly from head to toe. It features a 2K HDR video resolution, providing sharp and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. The two-way audio allows for clear communication with visitors, and the built-in siren can deter unwanted guests. Number 4. EUFY Security C210 Battery Video Doorbell Kit. See every visitor in stunning 1080p HD detail. Our advanced technology ensures a clear view of your doorstep, no matter the time of day or lighting conditions. Your footage stays secure with local storage. Simply add a microSD card to the Chime for encrypted, offline storage, keeping your data private and protected. Upgrade your home security in minutes with a sleek, modern design. Its wire-free setup makes installation incredibly simple and hassle-free. Enjoy peace of mind for up to 120 days on a single charge. This reliable monitoring works without any mandatory subscription fees. Get advanced security features without the recurring costs. This is a cost-effective, one-time purchase for continuous home protection. Receive intelligent alerts with AI detection, distinguishing between people and other motion. Communicate directly with visitors using clear two-way audio. What we like. Experience crystal clear visitor insights with long-lasting battery life and no ongoing fees. This doorbell offers privacy-first local storage for your footage. If you want a cost-effective, reliable video doorbell with excellent battery performance and don't want to pay a monthly subscription, this is the one for you. What people say. Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell has a wide 180-degree viewing angle, allowing you to see everything. The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell offers clear two-way audio, so you can speak to visitors. It provides HD video quality with a 180-degree field of view, ensuring you don't miss any details. Number 3. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell AVD 2001. Setting up your new doorbell is a breeze. Plus, recharging it is quick and easy, ensuring a long-lasting power supply. Enjoy flexible installation with its fast, wire-free setup. Get the perfect view from your front door without any complicated wiring. See visitors from head to toe or packages on the ground with its expansive 180-degree field of view. It ensures you capture everything at your doorstep. Experience detailed HD video with HDR, providing a clear picture even in challenging lighting conditions. You'll see every detail, day or night. With advanced foresight technology, it captures video even before motion is detected. This ensures you never miss any important activity. Receive instant video calls on your phone and communicate with visitors using clear two-way audio. You can also use pre-recorded messages when you're busy. This outdoor camera is built to withstand the elements. It's certified to handle heat, cold, rain, and sun, providing reliable security year-round. What we like. See more of your doorstep with an expansive 180-degree field of view and enjoy the flexibility of a wire-free setup. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi, making installation a breeze. If you need comprehensive coverage of your entire entryway and want an easy, flexible installation without needing existing wiring, this doorbell is an excellent option. What people say. The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell has a wide 180-degree viewing angle, allowing you to see visitors from head to toe. It offers clear two-way audio, enabling you to speak with visitors directly through the app. The doorbell integrates seamlessly with other Arlo cameras and smart home devices for a comprehensive security system. Number 2. Arlo Wireless Floodlight Camera 2K HDR. Install it anywhere with its flexible wireless design. Secure your outdoor areas with crystal clear 2K HDR video and smart detection. Unlock advanced features with our secure system. Enjoy 60-day video history and AI detection for smarter monitoring. Receive alerts that truly matter, like a person at your door. Event summaries and keyword search help you find important activity quickly. Get fast response when it matters most. Trigger emergency services directly from the app with pre-filled details for quicker access. Capture every detail with 2K HDR video and a wide field of view. See clearly at night with bright illumination, even in color. Skip the wiring and install your floodlight camera quickly. It comes with a rechargeable battery for easy DIY setup. Monitor everything with live video, motion alerts, and remote controls. Enjoy features like color night vision and two-way audio, all from one app. What we like. Get flexible wireless protection with brilliant 2K HDR video and powerful illumination. This camera is designed for easy installation anywhere you need it, securing large outdoor areas. If you're looking for robust outdoor security with superior video quality and integrated lighting, and want the convenience of wireless setup, this camera is ideal. What people say. The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell is a great product that offers excellent video quality and a wide field of view, allowing you to see visitors clearly. Installation is straightforward, and the wireless design provides flexibility in placement without the need for complex wiring. The motion detection feature is highly responsive, alerting you to activity at your door promptly. Number 1. Arlo Wireless Floodlight Camera 2K HDR. Install this camera anywhere thanks to its wireless design. It provides reliable monitoring for large outdoor areas with its 2K HDR video and smart detection capabilities. Unlock advanced features with the Arlo Secure Plan, including 60-day video history and AI detection. Live streaming and basic alerts are available even without a subscription. Receive alerts that truly matter, such as a person at your door or a vehicle in your driveway. It even summarizes activity with AI-generated captions for quick review. In a real emergency, trigger a response directly from the app. It can contact police, fire, or medical services with pre-filled details for faster assistance. Capture every detail with 2K HDR video and a wide 160 degrees field of view. Its bright illumination ensures you can clearly see activity even at night. Skip the hassle of wiring and install your floodlight camera quickly. It comes with a rechargeable battery for a simple DIY setup. Monitor your property with live video, motion alerts, and remote controls all from one app. Enjoy features like color night vision, floodlight control, and two-way audio. What we like. This camera offers flexible wireless protection with brilliant 2K HDR video and powerful illumination. It's designed for easy installation anywhere you need it, securing large outdoor areas. If you need robust outdoor security with superior video quality and integrated lighting, and want the convenience of wireless setup, this camera is ideal. What people say. The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell offers a wide 180-degree viewing angle, ensuring you can see visitors clearly. It features a 1:1 aspect ratio, allowing you to see a head-to-toe view of your visitors, which is great for package detection. The doorbell has a built-in siren that can be triggered remotely to deter unwanted visitors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.